At Money 2020 USA in October, Wise Platforms head of partnerships for North America, Ryan Zagone, told JD Durkin how his firm is helping enterprises make instant payments. Let's take a look.
Yeah, so at Wise, we've built the best way to spend money internationally. Over the last 14 years, we've invested in infrastructure that allows us to do instant payments around the world. About 70% of our transfers are instant. This gives a wonderful user experience and allows people to send money faster and easier than ever before.
Why do you have the sense that so many leading banks, enterprises are eager to partner with you in terms of gaps or things that may be otherwise missing in the marketplace that they recognize you provide at Wise?
Yeah, at Wise, we deliver certainty in our transfers. So we guarantee the delivery amount before initiation. We show transparency in fees, so you know exactly what you're paying in fees before you send your transfer. This revolutionizes the experience when you pair it with an instant delivery time. So you have speed, certainty, and transparency, really transforming the way a payment feels when you're sending money internationally. The partnerships we're getting at Wise Platform, this is our newest business line that allows us to expand our infrastructure to third parties, banks, technology companies, corporates. They're coming to us because they can get 14 years of investment in this infrastructure and a single API integration. That's really like unlocking a lot of innovation that they can do and that we can deliver.
For anyone who does not frequently send money or receive money across the world, what have been the biggest hiccups, the biggest challenges to effective cross-border payments?
Sending money internationally in the past has been very difficult. Like to send money overseas, it usually takes about 5 days. So it's 5 days in a black box, like where your transfer is, how much fees are being taken out. You don't know the amount of money that gets delivered. So this makes for a lot of uncertainty in your transfer that Wise has really revolutionized in the speed, transparency, and certainty that we're delivering today.
We've seen a lot of change in terms of cross-border payments and the general ecosystem, things like bill pay, payroll, and cash flow. Talk to me about a few of the key drivers, the real main factors that's driving product development in those spaces.
Yeah, when you think about bill pay, you're paying a bill overseas, you need to pay the exact amount of that bill. Like if it's your cell phone bill in Germany, if you're a military or a contractor working overseas, you need to pay the exact amount. It's very difficult to impossible with traditional cross-border payment. So what we've enabled through Wise is guaranteed delivery amount on these international transfers. You can pay a cell phone bill overseas. You can pay a friend for a reimbursement to the exact cent that you need. That really unlocks these new use cases and a better user experience.
Small business banking is so crucial to those entrepreneurs who have started a company. How does the FinTech partnership component play a role to make that banking process a lot better for small business owners?
Yeah, when you think around the 14 years it took for Wise to build this infrastructure, that's a long time and a lot of investment to deliver this type of experience. We spent about $3 billion over the last 14 years building our platform. Getting access to that with a single API integration unlocks a lot of efficiency and innovation for a partner. They don't have to go on that same building journey. Now, Wise has the leadership role today, the leadership position in delivering instant payments. We've committed to invest over $2 billion in the next 2 years to further that lead. So it's speeding up payments further, expanding our reach to new currencies, delivering more UX innovation.
What do you look for when determining the right partners to do business with?
We're looking for partners that also want to be best in class. So to pair what we've built at an infrastructure level to user experience, to looking to how they can deliver more value to their customers in unique ways. Now we've seen early adopters in this space. Last year we announced our partnership with Morgan Stanley, Standard Chartered, and now Nubank, the largest digital bank in the world. So we've landed these tier 1 partnerships where we're really revolutionizing what we can deliver to customers.
And finally, how do you see the small business landscape continuing to evolve, not just for Q4 here in 2025, but for next year, 2026 and beyond?
Yeah, the small business space, we're very optimistic for in 2026. Like unlocking payments reduces the biggest hurdle to international commerce for a small business. Like international payments become the biggest blocker for a small business today trying to do international growth. So now we're lowering that hurdle, unlocking some potential new markets for customers.